What is going on today, guys? As you guys can see in the title, sorry, my face is a little bit puffy. I don't really know why. I look really weird, but anyways, made 2.5K today. Um, off this short right here. So pretty simple stuff going on. So let's just, like I say every video, let's not waste too much time. Let's just kind of get into it. Top Step was geeked again. Market open today, so I missed an opportunity there, but we of course made up for it later on in the day. So, trade recap. So let's just look at what the market was doing, right? So we were pretty obviously bullish here. I didn't really know what to expect coming into the market. Um, because I mean, sure we had this draw higher right here, this 1 hour, but like that's not a very strong draw whatsoever. So I didn't even really count that. So I didn't really have any kind of draws higher, which at the time, I mean, we are still like up here, literally still right here. So we were still pumping up higher. And yeah, so skipped ahead. Basically, this is what I was looking at, right? We were in a clear uptrend, and yeah, I really just wanted to see price continue upwards, but I didn't have any clear targets, so that was my only issue. So I wasn't looking to take a trade today until we started absolutely dumping. So let me show you guys this right here. So as you guys can see, right below us we have London lows, right? So what do we do right off market open? We come up, tap into this 5-minute. Top Step was broken at this time for me, at least. We come up. Hold on, let me play one more candle. Come up, tap this area of rejection, get a super duper strong rejection, and respect this 1-minute order block right here. This is more of just like an understanding where price wants to go kind of moment. And on the higher time frame, we had a high time frame SMT at previous day high. So look, NQ swept previous day high, and ES did not sweep previous day high. It actually wasn't even close. So I was super duper bearish to my bearish draws, which the only really good ones that haven't been taken yet was London low and then previous day low, which we'll get to later. So I really wanted to catch a trade to London low, and I paper traded this right here, 1-to-1. Delivery was pretty trash. I put my stop just above the CE of this 5-minute gap, just that way price had a little bit of wiggle room, which was not a bad idea here. And yeah, ended up hitting, so missed out on profits there. But like I said, the day isn't over yet. So what do we do then? We absolutely ranged. Okay. Why does it say 11? Oh, that's the live time. So it's about 10:30 right now, and at this point, I got off the charts at 10:30. So I got off about right here because we were just ranging here. So you may be asking yourself, well, then how the heck did you take a trade if you got off? Well, I noticed that the market was down like a reasonable amount here. Dropped like 160 points, but we really started dumping here towards previous day low. So I was like, okay, well, let's see if I can take a setup to previous day low. I literally just noticed this because I was checking my Top Step to see if the servers were up now, and they were. And I saw that we were dumping to previous day low, and lo and behold, we get this nice retracement into this 3-minute. No, what the heck? Sorry. I don't know. Where did it go, bro? There we go. Anyways, sorry about that. We get this really nice retracement into this 3-minute gap right here. Because price was so volatilely dumping, I wasn't expecting like a huge retracement. This was like about the perfect size of a retracement I wanted to see. We get our confirmation candle. You could have entered off of this, but it was kind of later in the day, and didn't want to take my chances. So I said, okay, I'm gonna either wait for confirmation or not take the trade. And so I took this, went break even at this internal low, but the same candle that took this internal low was the candle that hit full TP. So that was how I made $2,500 today as a 16-year-old day trader. I've been doing really well lately. Hold on. I'm gonna start pulling up the P&L because I used to make videos saying like, like I didn't trade today, but I did trade today. Yeah. Anyways, here's the Top Step X is back online. See, there's what I was looking at. Yeah, here's my calendar. Yesterday Top Step was broken again. Monday was break even. Shouldn't have even really traded Monday, low key. Yesterday's PA was absolute trash, anyways. So not like I missed out on much. This is gonna be the last week to actually trade of December price action because Christmas week, no big market movers are going to be in. So it's just going to be a bunch of retail traders and no volatility. So, yeah. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I have tons of videos or tons of trade recaps on everything, basically. So, yeah, you guys can just pick my brain and try to learn from it. And if you guys would like to learn from me, drop a comment down below and I'll reply to it with my Discord username. And I might start a mentorship, honestly, because I've had a lot of people asking. Not any crazy prices or anything, just, something reasonable for me to waste my time on. So, yeah. Up 10K this month, technically. I mean, if you want to count, like, total, like, Top Step dollars, but really I'm up like 6K. But last month was horrible. It was just the last week of last month was horrible. Had a terrible mental week. And yeah, this month I've been learning how to trade from AB Trades. So this is his direct impact on my trading. So yeah, appreciate you guys and have a blessed one.